You're probably looking at the title of this video and wondering, what in the world did I just click on? These past few days, since the first date of their Seoul concert, have literally, they've been dedicated to Monsta X. The past couple of days of my life have been dedicated to Monsta X. If you don't know me, Monsta X is my ultimate group. And also, I should probably introduce myself. If you guys don't know me, my name is Crystal Marie. What is up? I love K-pop and I love makeup, and I tend to kind of fuse the two in my videos. And my ultimate bias is Jooheon. I got this with me for emotional support. I was in Atlanta for the Roses concert, and I woke up on Saturday to a lot of pictures and a lot of videos about their concert in Seoul. I don't know if I'm gonna name this video a Jooheon is working out video, a why are all these fake ass monbebes getting on Jooheon's case now that he's working out. Probably not even real monbebes. Real monbebes like been new Jooheon with Hot Fire because all of us like the Hot Fire. This is gonna be an I Miss Monsta X. I can't wait to see them. Like, I'm gonna see Hyungwon for the first time makeup tutorial. Like, I don't know, I feel a lot of things. So basically, what I'm thinking of doing, I'm just gonna do my makeup. This is more so like a get ready with me versus like a makeup tutorial style video. So please be aware, I really highly doubt you're gonna learn anything in this video. All of the products I use in this video, I will link down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and see them there. Okay, so I'm gonna start by priming my face because yesterday, my sister nearly gave me a heart attack. And I'm gonna tell you guys why. So me and my sister yesterday, we went out to eat dinner, and we were talking about Monsta X because, like I told you, the past couple of days of my life have literally been dedicated to Monsta X. I haven't stopped listening to their music. I haven't stopped watching videos. There's a lot of things we're gonna cover today. So if you are a monbebe, you have come to the right place, because this video, we're gonna talk a lot. So like I was saying, the other day, my sister literally gave me a heart attack. Like, I got so upset for a little bit because she told me that a fan had posted like a projected, I don't even know what to call that, set list for the United States, and Dramarama was not there. I told my sister, I was like, I need to see Dramarama. If they don't do Dramarama, I'm going to have a heart attack. I went to their tour last year. I went to their New York and Atlanta stops, and I had so much fun. I loved it. That was my favorite concert that I have been to thus far. It was amazing. I need to see Dramarama live. I need to see it. I told my sister, I was like, what if we don't see Dramarama? Oh my god. And she's like, it's just fan projected. It's Dramarama is a title track. They're gonna do it. But I was literally like, but what if we don't see it? What if they never perform it? What if I never see Dramarama live ever? And like, I was just freaking out. Like, I started texting my friends that are into K-pop, obviously, and I was like, what if we never see Dramarama? And they're like, we're gonna see Dramarama. You need to chill. I am so excited to see them. I am so excited for this concert. Like, I have been looking around for tickets for as many shows and as many stops as I can. I feel like I literally work just for P1s to go to K-pop concerts. What else do I make money for? Nothing else. Nothing else matters. Eat? I don't eat. Go out with friends? I don't need friends. Don't have a social life. Rent? Who needs a house? Nobody needs a house. I'm gonna bronze up the face a little bit with my Fenty matchstick. Oh my goodness. I miss them so much. Like, just seeing the concert. I don't want to miss their third world tour. Like, their first stop in Seoul. Like, next year, like, I can't miss that. I can't miss that. I have to figure out how to get my ass all the way to Korea because I need to see their first stop in Seoul. I need to see it so I can just report back. Be like, guys, I'm dead. Guys, this just happened. I just can't wait. I can't wait for that show. I miss them so much. I can't wait to see them here. I'm so proud of them. They do so great. Like, Monsta X are so hardworking and they are so talented. I'm just so in love with them. Like, they make me so happy and they bring me so much joy. I don't even know how else to express that. Besides, I just love them so much. And I did an Instagram post the other day, and it's so funny because a lot of you guys related to it, and I was like so surprised. Because my idea is that, let me pick up my hair. Let me pick up my hair so we can like chit chat a little bit. I thought like a lot of K-pop fans have just always been into like this type of stuff. And when I mean like this, oh, my hair looks crazy. Don't mind my baby hairs. But when I mean like this type of stuff, I mean like into like keeping up with them, like boy bands, boy groups, all of that stuff. I have never been into that. I have never had a celebrity crush. I have never cared about like concerts, boy bands, boy groups, like all those things. Like I never ever cared about that or was interested in things like that. I genuinely like was not. And for those of you guys that do not know or did not see the Instagram post, which by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram right here, so you go ahead and follow me. But for those of you guys that do not know, Monsta X was the first group I even ever saw. You know, they're really special for me, and it's really interesting because it's Shonu that got me into K-pop. I feel like it's all him. Between my sister and him, it's them two. I remember my sister was watching No Mercy and I saw Shonu and I was like, who's that? That was literally me. I was like, who the hell is that? Because my type of guy is like broad shoulders, like works out, like thick legs, like that type of, like Shonu's body, like Jooheon's body, like that type of body is like, so that he caught my attention. I was like, what is this? I always knew my sister was like into K-pop. I remember I went with my sister to New York when she went to Big Bang's show. I obviously didn't go because I wasn't into K-pop, but like I knew of its existence, if you get what I'm saying. All right, so I already did my eyebrows, so I'm gonna do like a little bit of contouring. But yeah, oh my God, guys, wait, okay. Before we move forward, we have to talk about Versace on the floor. Oh my goodness, Jooheon, I love Jooheon's voice. I think he has a beautiful voice. Like me and my sister and Michelle are literally the Let Rappers Sing squad. Like so many rappers out here have such beautiful voices that amazing. And Shonu, whoo, visual. Shonu's the whole reason why I'm even here. Gotta love and support and appreciate my mans. But honestly, let me change this palette because I really don't like it. It's like coming on a little bashy. But they look so good. They all look so good. And I'm a person that like, I stan a group. Like I'm not with that BS of like, yeah, I love GOT7, but like I don't like Bam Bam or I don't like Youngjae. It's like, then you don't like GOT7. Same thing with like BTS, Monsta X, with any group at all. Like I stan a group. And when I stan these people, I love them. I support them. I want them to be happy. Like, I'm not the type of fan out here getting mad like they get girlfriends and they are normal humans living and doing normal human things. Like, that would never, ever be me. Like, the day Monsta X starts dating, gets married or doesn't get married, has kids or doesn't have kids, has pets, I don't know. I'm standing a whole damn family. That's what I'm doing. I'm standing their wife, husband, kids, dogs, cats, whatever they decide to do, wherever they decide to go. My foundation isn't dry and I just went, but it'll blend out. Anyway, oh my God. You see, guys, I'm shook. I'm not even paying attention. I'm just like, anyways, yeah, like I'm standing a whole damn family. Like I'm not with that, like, oh, once you start dating, like I don't support you or anything. Like that's like childish, that's possessive, it's not healthy, and then that means you don't really love them to begin with, because when you love someone, love is not possession. That's not what that is. This video, clearly, if you haven't been able to tell, is hopping all over the place. Besides the fact that naturally when I talk about things, I hop subjects. Like I'm on the same general umbrella, but I start hopping things like Versace on the floor, Jooheon's working out, Shonu looks so good, Jooheon has purple hair, like oh my God, like I just start freaking out about anything. I've been sick for a few days. My sister got me sick. I was sick in Atlanta, and when I saw all these Monsta X videos, like bitch, I came back to life. I was cleansed, I was healed. I'm getting so much better. I mean, I wasn't super sick to begin with. Like I'm extra about that. I can't believe Jooheon has purple hair. Like what? Where did that come out of? Came out of nowhere. And that Versace on the floor performance, like, oh my God, what I did see of it. I saw this tweet that someone was like, Versace on the floor, more like Jooheon had me on the floor. And I was like, I relate so much. Like, you don't understand. I remember I found like this forum or something. I don't remember what in the world it was, and it's not relevant anyways. But I remember it said ugliest K-pop idols. Can you believe Jooheon was in that list? I was like, what? First of all, why would you make a list like that? Okay, because either way, beauty is completely relative. It totally is a thing that depends and varies from person to person. Like, someone can look at me and be like, ew. And then someone can look at me and be like, oh my god, she's beautiful. Same thing with all these idols and with you and anyone, you know, right? Like, that's subjective and what? Anyways, that's a weird thing. But when I found that, I was like, how can someone think that? I think Jooheon is absolutely beautiful, stunning. Like, I see no flaw in that person. I think he's amazing. His personality is amazing. He's super talented. He's great. I think he's fantastic. I feel that way about all of Monsta X. But I saw that and I was like, people really are out here. Like, I even saw Bobby from Icon there. I was like, what? I saw Cap from Teen Top. I saw Hoshi from 17. I was like, y'all crazy. Y'all lost it. That's it. Y'all don't know what you're talking about. But anyways, so now that Jooheon is working out, like, I've been noticing a lot of people now are paying attention to Jooheon, and I was like, wait. All right. In this household, we don't stan people just for the way they look. Listen, I don't want no new Jooheon stans. If you out here, Ju babies, closed. Unless you are genuinely interested in this wonderful man and his talents. Because this out here, just because he's working out, now y'all paying attention to him. I saw this tweet that was like, you've been giving Jooheon dust for the past 3 years. Now that he's working out, y'all paying attention to him. No, thank you. No, thank you. Jooheon is an absolutely multi-talented, phenomenal human being that deserves so much more love and recognition. Like, he already gets shit to begin with. He's already not paid attention to begin with because he's not like the ideal Korean beauty standard or whatever. And he's not the best looking member. And it's like, why are we comparing looks here? Monsta X is stunning in general, and they're all beautiful. I'm going on a thing here. I'm like, I gotta bring it down. I gotta bring it down. But that's fine. Stay asleep. And you know what's crazy? How, like, I was seeing on Twitter, I mean, granted, I have no idea. This is me just kind of saying what I see on Twitter, right? Which I probably, like that, I feel like that sentence already sets me up for disaster. Like, you know, I just saw it on Twitter, so I'm gonna say it. Because I feel like on Twitter there's a lot of, like, weird shit. But I saw on Twitter that people were saying how, like, there are people that got Monsta X tickets just to go. Just to go. To purchase a ticket, I feel like people should be able to name 5 songs, recite fan chants, birthdays, nicknames, mom's birthdays, dog's birthdays, don't have a dog trick question. People out here going to concerts just because. You got just because money? That's enough negativity for one video. I went to the K-pop store recently and I got a mandungi. So cute. A little pin mandungi, not the real one. I'm gonna buy the real one. I need that real one for the show. Oh yeah. Like, my thing is gonna land on stage. And if you guys don't know what a mandungi is, it's a Monsta X light stick that I feel like I always pronounce like an idiot. Sometimes I'm like mundongi, mandungi, and I'm like, the Monsta X light stick, please. While my lashes are drying, though, I want to tell you guys something. Like, since I've been hopping around so much, if for some reason you have found yourself in this video and you don't stan Monsta X, or you know Monsta X, you like some of their stuff, you haven't got really into it, I suggest you really do. They are an amazing group of guys. Like, they are funny. They are so, like, carefree. They're selfless. They're so loving. So loving. They're so appreciative, so humble. Like, I totally recommend you watching more of their things, watching their, like, reality shows. They're Right Now, X-Ray 1 and 2, and they're actually coming out with X-Ray 3, and I'm super excited. Like, super excited to see X-Ray 3. Like, I love my silly, beautiful boys. They're great. They really are great. So you should totally nosedive, like literally nosedive into the Monbebe fandom. I have been on Etsy looking up so much Monsta X merch since I have been so far up Monsta X's ass these past few days because of their concert and just like getting so excited to see them. I've seen so much Monsta merch. So if you guys know any place where I can get really nice Monsta X merch, whether it's like made in someone's house or like made somewhere else, like I really don't care. Either way, like I would love to support like a small business. Comment down below, let me know where you get your K-pop merch at. I would love to check it out. So before we wrap up this video and it starts coming to a close, the super nice lady at the K-pop store in ATL gave me this. Ooh. For lips, I don't know if to do like glossy purple lip or something like, let's do the glossy purple lip, you know, something a little bit different. Okay, so I guess this is what I miss Monsta X. I can't wait to see them. Jooheon is working out. He performed Versace on the floor. He been hitting them notes. Makeup looks like. I am so proud of Monsta X. I absolutely love them. I love them so much. Hyungwon still has pink hair, and I am hoping and praying he brings that pink hair here to the States. It's gonna be my first time seeing Hyungwon, and a whole lot of us is first time seeing Hyungwon because the first leg of the USA tour last year he was not feeling well, so he wasn't able to come. But I'm so excited to see Hyungwon, to see all 7 of them there. I love them so much. I love them all. I love every single one of them. I'm sorry if I didn't like talk in depth about each and every one. I feel like the whole Jooheon working out in that little video that got dropped by his trainer is my friend. His trainer is my friend. That is a true mom, baby. He is serving. So just seeing that video and then all the videos of their concert, that's what mainly I feel like this video was about, and me just rambling because they had me crazy. And honestly, I'm hoping and praying like I have really good interactions with Monsta X this tour like I did last year. My fingers are all covered. If you guys don't know what happened last year with me and Wonho, well, me, Wonho, Jooheon, Shonu, it was just so great. But Wonho being a little hoe, I'll link it down below so you can watch that story time. Be aware though, it is very lengthy. It is pretty lengthy. It's like an hour-long story time, so get your snacks. It's musty. You're gonna want to see it. Trust me. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know this is weird and I know this is random, but I plan on making a series of this in my channel. I want to do kind of like a weekly thing. Since K-pop, there is always some shit every day when it comes to K-pop. I want to do things like this. Kind of like a BTS is going to the BBMA's makeup tutorial. Like something random that I'm just like talking about it. And yeah, so kind of like a get ready with me style. Not really a makeup tutorial, but you guys get what I mean. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more things like this, give this video a big thumbs up. If you are a mon bebe or you got your eyes on Monsta X, comment down below and let me know so I can know where my mon bebe is at. I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.